Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to make a thumbnail in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by opening into your Canva account and creating a new design. You can search by typing YouTube thumbnail here. Click on it and here you can choose template or make one. Select a background for your thumbnail. It can be image, a solid color or a gradient. Include images, icons or your logo to enhance visual interest. Explore Canva's vast library of elements such as shapes, stickers and illustration to make your thumbnail dynamic and appealing. Arrange and resize elements until you are satisfied with the overall composition of your thumbnail. Preview your thumbnail to ensure it looks compelling. Make any necessary adjustments to achieve the desired visual impact. So that's it. You got your thumbnail. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.